guys, so it's Queenie's TV, and today we're unboxing only one present. Okay, we're gonna unbox this one. So this is from Queen from Ashana. From Ashana. Let's open it. I got this. Pretty cool and I like it. Thank you, Ashana. Thank you, Ashana, for the birthday gift.
You like it? Why?
So cool. There's a dog. There's also food here. You can like spin it. You can spin it a little bit. Go. Hi guys, so it's Queenie's TV and today we're opening another gift from my birthday party.